Oh my gosh, you guys, look what I just got in. I have never been so excited. Look at these mushrooms. They're gonna go on my frogs. Look at these. I picked out a few that I'm gonna put here in my frogs. And then I also have some trays over here that I'm doing. I just poured background, but look at this one. Oh my gosh. Green. Look at this galaxy one. So I have my resin already ready to go. I gotta go turn my fan on, so it's gonna get a little, sorry, loud. Hold on. And I have no idea how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do it. I already put my eyeballs in. So if you want to know how I do the eyeballs, I do have a video out. I'll link it to this one. Oh my goodness. That shows you how I did the eyeballs. So, see, these are already in here. I'm using the glass eyeballs in these. I love the glass. I only have a few left, but they were perfect for these stickers. Crossing my fingers, everything works. I need to get my base in here first so I can cram this sticker in here. I know, I've never done it before. See, I got gold all over my hands from the eyeballs. So I'm thinking, I know I already tried it once and it fits. I know it fits. Well, I didn't try this specific one. Yep, see, he fits. Yes. Okay. This one's a little bigger, so we're going to be pushing it, but I'm going to make him fit. Barely. He barely fits. Alright, but that should work. Now I have to figure out how I'm gonna finish filling him in. Because I don't want any color to go underneath. And then I'm not smart enough to just do one at a time because I get so excited that I do two. So if I mess this up, I'm going to be messing up two frogs. Make sure it gets all the way in there. So I have all of that filled in. All right. Now what do I do? So this one's green, and this one has gold eyes. And I want to add some color. I added, oh, how in the world did this flower get in here? This is what I have in the toes. I think if I put some color in here, it's going to stay on top because I already filled it all in. All right, we're just going to go for it. and hope for the best. Green. Here we go. Blackish green with this. And I'm going to go with some holographic, just because. All right, let's go for it. We'll do both of them the same. There's not much left in there. So I've got this. Let's see what I'm doing. So I just did 2 drops of the blackish green. We're going to do some of this. That's cool. Oh, I hope this works out because I'd hate to just have ruined this. It's still going to be cool, right? How could it not be? All right, let's do the toes. I always fill up my toes so I don't get bubbles. Maybe it's just overkill, I don't know. But that's just how I do it. It's gotta stay on top, please stay on top. That's just gonna give it, and I already tested it against black. I know it's going to be really bright against dark colors also, so I can do light colors or dark, and it's still going to be really vibrant. I'm going to have to pour some more resin. Otherwise it's going to be too shallow, and I'm going to have sharp edges, and I can't do that. Dang it. Alright, I'm going to go pour just another 2 ounces of resin, top these off, and I will see you guys back in the morning. Can't wait to see how they turn out. Okay, guys, I want this to work so bad. I am really wanting this to work. Please, please, please. Okay, that's cool. It worked. So cool. I'm gonna have to do some more stuff with gold on here. Add some more gold flakes or something to kick it up a notch. But that is so cool. Let's see how this one turned out. Ooh, this is the green one. Oh yeah. It worked. Had a little bit seep under here. Dang it. But that's okay. What do you think? I'll take some pictures.